Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're back at Anaheim at Downtown Disney. We're gonna go inside the World of Disney store to see what kind of new merch they have for the month of May. So come along with us and let's get all the details. That's really cool. I like that one. It's an indoor. That's cool.
These are 80. They also have the matching ears here for 37.
That's cool.
They also have this jacket here. We just saw this at the World of Disney in Florida. And we have them here too. I didn't think we'd get them here because it doesn't rain here. This is a cute little hat.
That is cute.
I like all the embroidery. Disney parks. That's so cute. These are 33. They have a canvas tote that says Downtown Disney District. It's pretty big. This is 20 bucks. They also have these Loungefly ears here finally. We did see these in Orlando and now they are here in Anaheim. These are $47. I don't know my sports
This is
shirts.
soccer.
It's soccer? Okay, David says it's soccer, so it's soccer. These are $69.99.
That's kind of cool.
This is funny. This is here for 4th of July. Do you remember getting these? Like from the ice cream truck? Me too.
They
were
always
so
came
cool.
all disfigured.
And the eyeballs were always like, one was up here,
Yeah,
down
it was
here.
all weird.
And they were the best. This is nice.
I like that one.
Oh, say Liberty, Freedom, Authentic Disneyland. Oh, that's cute.
That is cool.
Not priced.
I like that one.
I think this is the last of the 4th of July March, but this is really pretty too.
That's really cool. I like that one.
Last time we were here, they did not have these. They had been released already, but they are finally here. And these are super pretty. They're a lot prettier in person than they were on the photos.
I like the Mickey ears on the sides.
On the sides, yeah, they're pretty. I like it. I don't like that this is like behind though,
Oh,
right?
it's behind?
Yeah, it's like,
Oh, I see.
you see? It's not aligned. So they have some new sweatshirts here. This is cute, little Grogu one. These are 65.
So they have this Darth Vader
Spirit jersey.
spirit jersey here. I'm not the biggest fan of it.
You're not a big
It
fan?
looks kind of comic-y.
The back is plain, but I
Yeah.
guess the front makes up for it.
Yeah. For $80.
They have a little Baymax keychain.
That's really cute.
They have a whole bunch of other characters, but the cutest one is Baymax. They have little Judy Hopps, Nick Wilde, Chip, and Dale.
Ah, he was hiding.
Then we have Tigger. So they also have the Wildcat Crocs here as well. We did also see these in Orlando.
These are $90.
They also have a Wildcats magnet, and they did not have these in Orlando.
These are $12.
This is cute. They have a new little baseball cap.
That's kind of
At the
cool.
Disneyland Resort. I like the color. It's like a minty gray.
Yeah, it's
Pretty.
nice.
Yeah. They also have the Lion King ears here as well now. These are cute. These are like very Animal Kingdom vibes. So
Yeah.
I was like not surprised to see them over there. So I'm surprised to see them here. They also have the Stitch shirt that we saw at the World of Disney in Orlando. $70. So it's also here now. These are new. I have not seen these on either coast.
It was really pretty.
These are really pretty, right? Stitch and Angel. I love the bow.
Those are pretty.
They also have the matching Loungefly to go along with it. These are 80. So they have little makeup bags, or I guess like travel bags. They could be anything really. But for me, this would be a makeup bag. Look how cute he is.
Well, that's pretty
With
cute.
his little forelock. Oh my god. They have the whole gang as well. So they have Tigger, Pooh, and Piglet. These are $24. Would you wear this?
No,
You wouldn't?
I would not wear them.
Why? It's so cute.
I just don't like the colors.
They have a Dingle Hopper.
I just don't know if I should know.
$18. Does this hippopotamus have a name?
I don't know.
It's
He probably
so
does.
cute. I don't know if you guys can see, but she is lit.
see.
You can
We
see? Yay! She's lit. Literally.
I know.
Hippopotamus is $35. They also have some stickers. These are 20 bucks for 6 stickers. These are cute. They have little pens.
Those are kind of cool.
They're cute, right?
Yeah.
If I wrote anything, I would get these.
Yeah.
These are $23. So they have the new Small World ears here as well. We did see these at the World of Disney in Disney Springs. They did not have the bag though. The bag is $40. The happiest cruise that ever sailed. That's a pretty big tote. It's heavy duty too. They also have a little jacket. These are $70. Oh, look at the bag. The bag is super cute.
That's cute.
They also have the Small World crafts. Oh, look at the thing moves.
Oh, like the hourglass.
Yeah,
That's
that's
cool.
cute. They have the numbers on the back. It's a Small World. These are $65 for the Crockies.
That's cool.
They have a little jewelry box too.
That's kind of cool.
It's doing It's a Small World.
Is it?
Yeah. It's very faint. I don't know if you can hear it in the video.
It is very faint.
This is $50 for the jewelry box. And this is like a very light, like cardboardy, like very cheaply made. They also have merch celebrating the 25th year of Disney's California Adventure Park.
It's hard to believe it's been 25 years
I know.
already.
I remember when they were building this
Me too.
park.
I remember
That's
driving around it and be like,
crazy.
oh, the mountain's the bear.
That's crazy.
That's cool.
We're old.
I know.
This is $60 for the hoodie. They also have the hats. These are $33.
More keychains?
More keychains. He's like glass, maybe? He seems fragile. Like if I dropped him, he would break.
You also have Stitch.
Oh yeah, I forgot to feature Stitch.
So they have this cookie jar here, Sleeping Beauty Castle. They had the Cinderella at Disney World. This is... I can't see.
$60. These are a lot smaller than the ones they had at Disney World.
Yeah, I think they were also $60.
Were they?
I think so.
I'm pretty sure these are new. I think I would remember them because they're sparkly. It's like a nice cotton t-shirt, cotton long sleeve shirt. These are $75, but I mean they glitter, so money well spent.
I guess so.
They have a Disneyland coat that's embroidered.
That's cool.
This is really pretty. How much is this? It's $40, but it's pretty big.
That's
And
pretty
it's
cool.
really pretty.
Yeah, it's cool. I like that it's got Black Spire Outpost. Oh, they have the hat
They have
too.
the matching hat. That's so cute!
That's cool.
The hat is $32. So they have so many of the keys to Disneyland. They're on clearance now. They're $40. You still want one, Dave?
I do.
Yeah?
But I think I can wait until they go to the outlets.
They're probably there already. So they're clearancing out the 70th anniversary items that are on display. They're also clearancing out the 70th anniversary like candies and little treats. They also have the 70th anniversary magic key holder lug. These are 30% off now. These are new. These are $45. It's just like a little fanny pack, like a plastic little fanny. That's the inside. You get a pocket in there. It's part of this new collection. They have shirts, dresses, hats. So this is new. This is a 70th anniversary t-shirt. I haven't seen this before. And it's already on clearance because they're clearancing out all the 70th anniversary merch. Here's the back. So the Stony Clover 70th anniversary merch is also clearanced out. It's 40% off right now. This is cute. So they have these little fanny packs to match the ears. The ears that we saw earlier. They didn't have the fanny packs out there. So they're in the... Oh, look at, they have the little wickets on the side.
Oh yeah, the little Ewoks.
Are they wickets or are they Ewoks?
They're Ewoks. This is Wicket.
Oh,
These are Ewoks.
I see. That's cute. These are $35. So they have a little Grogu pocket pal.
Babu Vic says hello. Ah.
Yeah. I figured
You got big feet.
The little. Oh wait, what does he do? Does he talk?
I'm pretty sure.
I just saw that he has a button. Oh yeah, he makes like baby noises. I don't know if you guys can hear. It's very
They're not
faint.
gonna
It's
hear
like
it.
baby noises. It's like annoying kind of. So they have these little fuzzy little journals. Let me open one.
That's
That's cute. The aliens, my favorite. The little green men. But they have a whole bunch of them. They have Donald Duck, Stitch, and Rex. I do not recall seeing these at Epcot. Do you?
No.
I don't remember seeing these at Disney World at all. Little Red, 2 years.
They're cute.
It's so funny that they're here.
Oh my god.
What do you think?
I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah, picture.
Oh, see, this one makes noise.
Yeah.
Once upon a time, there lived a lovely princess named One. Her vain and wicked stepmother, the queen,
I don't know. These are, how much are these? These are $30. I don't know. They have a little princess picture frame. This is new. Haven't seen this before. It's $30. It's cute, I guess, like for like a little girl's room or something, right?
Yeah.
So they have the new Starbucks tumblers for Disneyland and DCA. These just came out. My favorite part of these are the toppers.
The toppers are cool. I like that as Monstro.
The toppers are so cute. I like the toppers more than the cups.
These are $55.
So they have our version of the Starbucks mugs. They have these for all the parks at Disney World and they were really pretty. But I hadn't seen the ones for here yet. Had we? No,
I don't
right?
think so. They're pretty.
Oh, look at Cosmo.
They're Cosmo.
They have a couple new mugs or drinkware here. So Land of Happiness and Imagination. 28.
That's the same thing that was on. That's the same thing. It says the same thing. It's just a different looking cup.
Huh?
Because on the Walt Disney World one, it also said a land of happiness and imagination. I
It
thought,
did?
oh, it's from Electrical Parade.
Oh.
And then it's just a different design. It's just a green color.
They also have the Stitch tumblers here now. And I'm pretty sure these are new. I don't remember seeing this before. It's $30 for the Winnie the Pooh tumbler. And then they have the new Starbucks tumblers here. I like ours. Ours is pretty cool. No Dumbo though.
No, that sucks. So they do have the throws. We saw these in Walt Disney World, but they are here.
Doug has a t-shirt.
That's pretty cute.
Doug deserves all the merch. He is the best. He's the bestest boy. These are $37. They also have a little cotton like long sleeve. It's pretty heavy duty, but not like quite sweatshirt. But it's Doug and the wilderness must be explored. How cute. These are $60. These would be perfect for like when we go camping,
Yeah.
right?
All right, guys. So that is it for the World of Disney for the month of May here in Anaheim. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video. And check out the one we just recently did at Walt Disney World for the month of May out there as well. All right, bye.